Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to complete the milestone 1. So in this video, I will focus on how to complete the activity. For the screenshot, you need to do separately. Okay, so first we need to get the data. I'm using the virtual machine, so we need to get the data from the outside resources, which I already prepared the link. Okay, the link is here. I copy first the link, yeah, okay. Then I copy to the URL. Okay, so this is the Excel file. After that export, then download as a CSV or create a copy. Create a copy, download the copy. Okay, the file is already copied and you can find that inside the download folder. Here you go. Yeah. Okay, so I will open the Power BI. Okay, so following the step that I already prepared, we need to get the data. This is the original instructions of the milestone 1. Yeah, you're going to import the data from the Excel. There are 7 tables. Okay, let me do that. Yeah. So get data from the other sources, or you can also click the Excel workbook. And then go to the download folder. Select the HR Analytics Employee Attrition Performance file. Okay, then here you're going to select the 7 tables, excluding the table 1 and the data dictionary. Okay, so 7 tables to be imported. Then I click load. So wait for a while. Let this data imported. Once the data imported, then you will see 7 tables are shown on this data pane. Okay, yeah, so done. So 7 tables here. So that's to complete the first task. Import the 7 tables. Yeah, for the screenshot you take yourself. Yeah. And then the second part is to cleanse the data. Okay, let's do that. Yeah. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Power Query. So by clicking the transform data. There are a few things we're going to do in the transform data. The first is to identify if there is any blank rows. Okay, so we quickly notice that here we have the blank rows on the attrition rate. Yeah, so click this one, and then after that reduce the row. After that remove the blank rows. Okay, yeah. And then you notice the other, yeah, education. So far so good. Yeah, to help in the checking the column quality, you click the view. After that choose the column quality. yeah, like this. So if you have the error or empty, you will see from here. So education rate is okay, no error, no empty. Education, no error, no empty. Employee data, okay. So this is the biggest table. There are many columns there. You notice that many columns are empty like this, yeah. So this we need to delete this. Okay, yeah. So how to delete the empty column? Like this, yeah. Go to the right, this one, yeah. So you have to choose the column. Okay, so in the employee data, in the transform, yeah, then we go to the let's see, 101 column, home, yeah, home, choose column, yeah. Okay, choose column, then choose column. Okay, so you scroll down, you have so many other column that without the name. This just not the empty column. So we remove all the column and we only keep the column with the correct name. Yeah. So click all of this column. You need to do this manually. Okay, so after the last name column already selected, you scroll down a little bit, yeah, then until the end, then you see that all the columns are not given the informations or informative name, so assume that that column is empty. So we click OK. Yeah. Okay, so now if you scroll, then you see the column is lesser, yeah, than only the column with the meaningful name. Okay, look at the quality of the column. Yeah, looks like everything okay, but are there any empty row? We look at here, for example, in the name. Yeah, sorry, name is so gender. Yeah, gender should be male or female only. Okay, but the list may be incomplete. Yeah, you click the load more. Okay, we have null. Yeah, we have null. Okay, so we're going to remove this null column, null row. Yeah, so like this, then click OK. So we discover two null rows. Okay, so we click this, yeah, to remove the blank rows. Yeah, remove the row, after that the blank row. Okay, yeah. So now in the gender we select all again, but because just now we filter the null only, then we cannot see any row. Yeah, so we're going to remove this filter. Yeah, so remove the filter. So now we get back the all the row. Yeah, if you choose to load more, yeah, yeah, the null, the blank row already deleted. Okay, after that the job involvement looks like okay, yeah, and then performance rating, yeah, so okay, this is numeric, this is the text. Satisfaction, yeah, also okay, yeah. Work-life balance, yeah, okay, yeah. Go back to the attrition rate. Okay, so the column is here, and the type, yeah, we're going to make this date and time. Yeah, okay, and attrition rate, yeah, this one is should be in the percentage. Yeah, so we change the percentage. Okay, yeah, so that's cleansing the data. Let's have a look cleanse the data. Yeah. Okay. Let me check if I miss anything else. Okay, so this second part already done. Yeah. The third part is to create the calculated column. Yeah. For the employee data 2018-2019, you create the age bin, and then by categorizing the age, and then for the addition rate, ensure date is in the date time format. Okay, so that one just now we have done. Yeah, we already ensure that this date time. Yeah, okay, we already changed to date time. Now we're going to create the age bin, yeah, in the employee data. So click after that in the add column. Yeah, then we create the conditional column. Okay, so the name is age bin, and then based on the column age. Okay, so when the age is more than 50, yeah, then you're going to this one, yeah, change to the greater or equal than 50. Then we tap the 50 greater than, like this. Okay, so actually should be like this, yeah, greater than 50, and then add the clause. Yeah, age is equal, greater than, equal to 40. Then you put the 40 to 49, and age greater than equal 30, then 30 to 39, and then age greater than equal 20 to 29, and then else less than 20. Okay, so this is the, you get screenshot, then click OK. So we create the age bin here. Okay, alternatively you can also use the add column, yeah, but we just use this one. Okay, so done. We have already make the changes on the this employee data. There is one more requirement that optional. You go to the addition rate. Okay, so the year is in the formatted date and time. Yeah, so we don't, if we want to take the year only, yeah, then we're going to rename this year column, yeah, into the year not formatted. Yeah, year not formatted. Okay, then after that we're going to add the column. Okay, so to create this column you can use the table view, so I'm going to close this. Okay, so click home, after that close and apply. Okay, good. Yeah. So you go to the table view, and then this is the just now addition rate. Yeah, we're going to add the column, new column. If we want to see the year only, yeah, okay, then we copy the formula, which is the using the function year, yeah, of the year not formatted. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, so we get only the year, and then the date, yeah, we create a new column. We're going to create the date only, yeah. We use the text formula. Okay, so concatenate the date, month, and year using the UK or British format. The date, the month, and year. Okay, so that's the part of the creating the column, yeah, and then also correcting the format. So that's a task 3, and we going to continue with the creating the measure. So there are 4 measure, and to be correctly created, you need to put into the correct order. Yeah, so the correct order is the total employee first. Yeah, after that the active employee. The iteration should be the last because this contains a formula to use the inactive and total employee. Okay, so this is the correct order. Yeah, you create the total employee, active employee, and inactive employee. Okay, so how to do that? Here in the table view, then you create the go to the table tools, yeah, create new table. Yeah, the name is a measure. Okay, so in the measure table, yeah, here you enter, yeah. So it change the name to the measure. Okay, so the column, we going to create the column, yeah, new measure, sorry. So go to the table tools, after that the new measure. Okay, so the first is the total employee using the text formula distinct count, yeah. Okay, distinct count of the employee data 2018 to 2019 employee ID. Okay, so for this measure, you need the column employee ID, which was we have not created before. So I need to go back to the this transform data. Yeah, I ignore this first. Yeah, then after that go to the transform data. I forgot to create the employee ID column in here. Yeah. So you see that it has a name, but we don't have the employee ID to be indexed. So we're going to add the column. Yeah, add the column. After that, the index column. Yeah, starting from this. So this going to rename the column to employee ID. Okay. Yep. So then we close and apply. Okay. So now it's the formula is okay. Yeah, because we already created the column. Total employee. Good. Yeah. So we created a measure already. Next, we're going to create another measure. Yeah, click a new measure, which is the active employee. So the employee that the status is active, or the attrition is no. Yeah. Okay, then after that create the third measure, inactive employee. Using the DEX. This time the status of the attrition is yes. Okay, then after that the last is to create the measure for the percent attrition. Okay, good. Yeah, so we already created the 4 measure here. So to check, yeah, you can drag this percent attrition, yeah, check the value, yeah, okay, then after that you can put the card in a format, yeah, 16%, yeah, okay, then after that you can also test how many total employee as a card, yeah, okay, and then active employee. This is just for testing, yeah. Then inactive employee. Okay, yeah, so correct. So the milestone 1 we completed already. If you check this task list, okay, done already. Yeah, so for the screenshot you just collect yourself. I close this, yeah. Okay, because most likely if you use virtual machine, you're going to continue this to the next, yeah. You need to save that into the OneDrive, because if you don't save this in your OneDrive, then this will be deleted, yeah, after the virtual machine expired. So I show you how to do that, yeah. So click save, yeah, and then this is the saving the file, yeah. You choose the more option, or I click the file, okay, save file, yeah, after that save, okay, yeah. So you need to connect to the OneDrive. Okay, so I do the connection first, yeah, from the file explorer. Okay, so in the OneDrive, then it will ask you to connect. Yeah, I use my Litton email. Sign in. So I will save this in my OneDrive. I already created a folder for that. Oh, this app only. Okay, wait for this to load. Yeah. Okay, so this is a location, user student, OneDrive. Okay, so this one is no need, yeah, I'll do it later. Next. Okay, just later. Yeah, ready, open OneDrive. Okay, so let me close, then after that again here, file, save as, yeah. The name is DMV, and then Milestone1. Okay, yeah, so PBX. So browse this device to find the location. So C after that, or you can use OneDrive, yeah. OneDrive this. Then look for the DMV. I already created this one, yeah. Okay, so the name is the DMV. After that, Milestone1. Okay, save it. Yeah. Okay, saving DMV milestone 1. Okay. Okay, so I close. So this assume that you finish the milestone 1 and you want to stop for a while, then continue later. Okay, so that's how to complete the milestone 1. We will continue with the milestone 2.